So I'm going to go ahead and take this, pull that up there, do the same thing here, and you'll see that we start to get this fanning effect. And that's just really going to help us out whenever our rigging artist comes in and starts rigging this and painting weights and things like that, okay, for facial animation. Alright, so there is that. Okay, looking good. You can play around with some of these verts a little bit on the inside, but again, this is actually that lip that we'll see on the inside of the mouth, so we don't want to play with that too much. I am, however, let me go ahead and back up a little bit. I am going to push that over in the X a little bit, just kind of curve that toward the middle of the face, like that. Do the same thing here. Just like that. We're not going to move it too much because we don't want it to get too far away from the high poly mesh whenever we bake that out. Alright, so now we've got this nice shape going here. We want to pull that back in the Y, just kind of help that conform to the teeth, the shape of the teeth. And there we go. Alright, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go up to Edge Mode, hitting 2 on the keyboard to do that. Let's select this edge right here across the top, and I'm going to hold Shift, and I'm going to drag this out, releasing Shift, and then dragging it out again to create these planes. I'm going to do 3 across the top, just like that, and then we'll do 2 across the back, and then we'll do 3 across the bottom. 1, 2, and then we have the third one that's just going to connect back here. So let's select both of those edges, and we'll use Bridge, and that'll create a polygon in between the two. Now the mouth interior, we want it to be pretty low res just to get us started on this. Then what I'll do is I'll come into the side, so this little edge right here, sorry about that, I'm trying to get in there as close as possible. This little edge right here, I want to hold Shift, drag that straight back, and I'll pull that back maybe 2 or 3 times here. Let's go ahead and try with 3 for right now. And pull that back, and I want that to connect right back to here. Let's actually create one more edge right back here. Looking at this. You know what? Actually, let's do this. Let's select that edge and this edge, and we'll just simply bridge that. Go to vertex mode, and I'll start to kind of flare that up and down. Okay, trying to get that to cover as much space as possible. Alright, very nice. So now we've got that. Now what I have is I have this hole across the top, and then I have this hole across the bottom, and I could just start filling those in. One way that we could do this is by just coming in, go to Edge Mode, and I'll just bridge these together. Come in, I'll take this edge, and I'll bridge that. And then we have a hole right here that we need to take